In this video, we're going to explore Objective 1.2.f, adjust the visual properties of a model and design workspace. And we're going to look at the display settings menu, looking at the visual style, environment, the camera, and things of that nature. So utilizing the construction block tower, we're going to go down here to the display settings. And with that, you can kind of play around with some of these, like for example, the visual style. Right now, by default, I usually run with the shaded with visible edges only. You can also choose shaded with hidden edges, so you can see all the hidden edges that are showing up in this part, or just shaded, so it doesn't have the actual edges that kind of show up. You can also look at doing a wireframe or any kind of other visual style, wireframe with hidden edges, as well as any kind of those kind of items. I'm going to change this back to shaded with visible edges only. In the environment, we can have, usually photo booth is what I go with. Environment is looking at the background. So you can choose what kind of color that you'd like and being able to make some changes with some of these different items. So again, usually I like to have photo booth as the option. Effects, you can end up having a ground plane or a ground shadow. These are usually little check boxes you can turn on or turn off. So, and you'll be able to see some of those different items. So as we look at, turning on the ground shadow, so you saw that getting turned on and those effects there. Object visibility, you can also check to see if you need origin planes, origin points, joints. This is kind of the master control for all the work features. And then here we have the camera, which was shown also with the view cube in an earlier video. You can either choose orthographic or perspective, as well as perspective with ortho faces. So usually by default, orthographic is going to be what you'll work with. So that's really what is going on with those display settings. It's being able to adjust the visual style, the environment, the camera, and really not a ton of features or questions about this on the ACU exam, but at least it's good to know about how to adjust the visual style and the properties of the design workspace.